welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing well and just staying safe and healthy and get through these hard times. I know it can be challenging, but we're all going to get through it together. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about all my favorite professional hair products. Now, if you know me, you know that I have way more products than I need. Way more. Ask my husband. So instead of going through every single product that I own, I'm just going to go through a few of my favorites. If you want to see my favorite professional hair products, please keep watching. Now, you probably already know as a licensed hairstylist that I'm going to recommend professional hair products over drugstore products. Now, I'm not going to bash drugstore products, but I'm just going to give you the facts as to why I recommend using professional products. Now, salon products are 5 times more concentrated in active ingredients than most drugstore products, probably all. And drugstore products are very diluted by sprays, chemical filler, artificial colors, and sometimes they have a very heavy wax in them. So I do not own any drugstore products. So today I will just be suggesting the professional products that I use. And with everything going on, it's so important to support your local businesses, your hairstylists. I'm sure they all have product that they're trying to sell. So definitely try and reach out to your local hairstylists to see if any of these products or any products that you're interested in you can get from them. I'm going to go ahead and go in order of my routine for my products, starting with shampooing and then maintaining your hair throughout the week. So the first products I'm going to go through are my shower products. So I alternate my shampoos because it's always good to switch them up. Your hair gets used to your products over time. So my absolute favorite shampoo and conditioner right now are the Amika Volume and Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. And it's so nice that they have a darker purple cap on their conditioner so you can tell which one's which, because sometimes you're just grabbing through the shower, so this is super nice. So these are really nice because they're not a heavy conditioner and shampoo. A lot of volumizing shampoos and conditioners can sometimes be a little heavy and weigh you down. These are very lightweight, so I noticed I used this week. I noticed that it leaves kind of more like a softer volume, and the smell is amazing. I love the Amika brands. Something else I also wanted to mention that I don't know if everybody knows about, products expire over time just like anything else, but most products don't have an expiration date. So if you look at the back side or bottom of your bottles, you'll have this little container that says, I don't know if you can see it very well, 12 months or 6 months, however long. That means 12 months after you buy this is the expiration date. It's just a fun little tip to know because I actually didn't find this out until cosmetology school. So another shower product that I recently got that I love is the Launch Rehab Hydrating Mask. Now, I know Launch is a little controversial because they don't have their styling products in stores right now. I think they have some of their flat irons and styling tools in store. I think Ulta carries some. Could be wrong. But I've noticed a lot of their ingredients are similar to professional ingredients, and I've actually liked everything I've tried from them. So this one is a hydrating mask, and it smells so good. So my next products are my after shower products. I know, very creative name. So like I said, I have so many products I love, so these are just a few of my favorites I've been using for years. So the first one is the Healthy Sexy Hair Tri-Week Leave-In Conditioner. Now, Amika and Sexy Hair are probably my 2 favorite brands. And this one I've noticed is the best detangler that I've tried. A lot of detanglers I've tried, they almost have like a little bit of a grit to them, which you don't want when you're trying to comb through your hair. So I've been using this one forever, I think right out of cosmetology school, and that was 2013, so it's 2020. But this is super conditioning, super moisturizing. I love that it's got like a little handle right here. You can just spray it directly in your hair, and this smells amazing. So my ends get really knotted when I get out of the shower. And like I mentioned, this is one of the few products that actually do the trick. The next product I'm going to mention is another Launch product. This is the Launch Grand Debut Root Booster. I've been using this one for a while. They are a bit small for my liking, so I go through them pretty quickly. That's the only thing I would say I don't love about them. But my hair has so much more volume when I use this. I use it right after, or right before, I use this right before I dry my roots. I think I mentioned this in my last video. This is one of the products that I spray in my hair at the root with higher heat and then just dry my hair the rest of the way with cooler heat. But this one adds so much texture to my scalp. You can kind of see it right now. My hair's a little dirty at the moment, but my hair is normally flat to my head. This adds the extra volume that I need. And it's a foam spray. You do have to shake it pretty well before you use it. But I love, love, love this one. My next product is the Redken All Soft Argan 6 oil. I've had this forever. And I noticed it actually makes my hair color a little bit more vibrant. It makes the brown or the lighter brown in my hair stand out a little bit more when I use it. You just spray it in your palm and then emulsify it through your ends. But it smells so good. A lot of Redken products have more of like a honey scent to them, which I personally love. It's really good for split ends as well. I've noticed if I have split ends in my hair, this kind of helps to seal it to make it look a little bit healthier. The next product I have is another oil. This is called the Love Oil Moisturizing Oil by Sexy Hair. Another Sexy Hair product. Love them. This one has a very like floral scent to it. It's a little bit heavier of an oil than I typically use, but I notice once I dry my hair that it really just smooths it all down, and it actually keeps my ends from looking less frayed. So I personally love this one. I think they rebranded this. It used to be in a different bottle, but I really like the new one. Next products I'm going to talk about are my after drying styling products. And I just realized the first one I'm going to talk about can actually be used before you blow dry your hair and then before you curl it, flat iron it, however you style it. And this one is the Matrix Total Results Mega Sleek Iron Smoother. I've been using this for probably half my life. It smells so good. I don't even know if I could explain what it smells like. It almost smells like a perfume. I don't know. It smells so good. This is a really good one because I've noticed it decreases a lot of the frizz in my hair, kind of sleeks it down while also protecting your hair. I know I've mentioned this before, but a heat protectant is one of the most important products in my professional opinion. The next product that I have is the Big Sexy Hair Spray and Play Harder. So they have a spray and play. I don't think they have a spray and play hardest. I don't think so. They might come out with one. But this is my favorite because it's the hardest hold in this collection. And I used to use this on all my clients. I use it on my hair, especially at my roots, and then again in the front so it kind of stays all voluminous. One thing I will say is that these nozzles get clogged because it is such a hard hold spray that you do kind of have to clean this with a Q-tip or whatever you have so that you're not constantly pushing it down and it's like spritzing off to the side. So just make sure if you do use these that you're mindful of that. My next product is also Sexy Hair. I know, you're shocked. And this is their Push-Up Instant Volume Thickening Finishing Spray. But this one, I'll show you how I use it. Shake it up. This one kind of has the same issue with the nozzle, so just make sure you're cleaning that. And then I spray it about mid-length of my hair. And then you just kind of zhuzh it up. Zhuzh it up. And then kind of brush it back. And then, I don't know if you can tell, but it just gives you a little bit more volume, thickness. I mean, everything you want. This one has a hairspray smell, so it's a little bit of a strong smell, but it does the job. Now my next products are my Maintain Your Mane styling products. So these are the products that I use when my hair is dirty. So today, this is what I use today. And then just need to bring some life back to my hair. So these are also the Amika brand I talked about earlier. And can we just talk about how cute this packaging is. I mean, look at this. So this just slides on up. How cute is that? They're all natural and they smell like heaven. They're very floral. I haven't even opened it yet, so give me a second. This one is my holy grail. This is the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I love it. This one I will use all week long. Give my hair some life when my hair is super dirty. It smells so great. It's very light, but heavy enough that it hides the grease in your hair, and it just smells so fresh and clean. Now there is a product that I actually had to just throw out because I just finished it, so I don't have the bottle, and I'll link it down below. It looks just like this, but it's their volumizing dry shampoo, or just their dry shampoo. And that one I use when I'm in dire need for a pick-me-up before my shower day. It's very heavy, it sprays really fast, but it does the job. I used to use it on like day 2, but I noticed it was just too heavy, and I didn't like that look for that day. The Amika dry shampoo also has a little bit of a light color to it. I wouldn't say it's white, but all you have to do is rub it in and then that goes away. The next product that I have is the Amika Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. So I will spray this on my hair after I've curled it, directly kind of throughout my hair, kind of zhuzh it up again, and then it just adds that grit and texture to keep it holding all day. Between these two, my hair smells amazing. The next one that came in that bundle, I went ahead and took out. It's the Amika Vandal Volume Powder Spray. I recently started using powders in my hair. I used to use the Big Sexy, what is it called? Powder Play? I can't remember. But I used to use it on my clients. But with these, you do have to be careful not to spray them directly, like right on your scalp. Otherwise, it will be like real sticky and it'll just kind of stick there. And what you'll want to do is, comes with a pump. You'll pull your hair up, spray it in, I would say maybe about this far away, and then just zhuzh it in your hair, and then it adds that texture, gets rid of the oil and grease in your hair. I think Amika's products they bring your hair back to life. So I will add all these products in the description below. I think you can get most of them from Ulta and your local salons. Definitely check them out. Ask your hairstylist to see if they have any. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. If you have any suggestions for more videos, please let me know. And next week's video, I am going to cut my hair on video for you guys. Can't wait to show you. So again, thank you guys so much, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and make sure you hit the bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys so much.